Um, I'm sleepy. My first week of class was good though, I guess. My biology teacher already hates me because I don't really know. She's just evil, whatever. She takes my phone at the beginning of class because this is still high school. So done with Cleveland State already. I've just been busy, so nothing interesting's really happened. I start work at Honda officially Saturday. I'm done with my training now. So I'll start getting paid for that too. I'm in Anita's bedroom, and she's got a bunch of my old stuff, and it's weird. Like this I Love Cats poster. Oh, wrong way. See? Thank you. She crinkled it up because she's evil, but I don't know. I got a turtle. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I turned 20 in like 9 days. I'm super excited. I'm not editing this. I don't feel like it. I'm gonna go to sleep. And I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and I'm not gonna do anything all day. Except for maybe homework, because that probably needs to be done. But other than that, I'm not working. I'm not going anywhere unless I end up at Tyler's grandparents' Labor Day thing, which I probably won't because he's not talking to me. He's mature. Which is what some of my hateful tweets have been about. That's okay. I'm okay. There's really nothing in here. Oh, my mom made Anita take the Hannah Montana poster down because of Miley Cyrus's VMA thing. It was funny. There was a big fight over it, and now the poster's in the garbage, so it's great. Yeah. Hopefully this next week won't be as tiring, since I have Monday off, and that's my long day anyway. Oh, and you guys don't have to post them on your day. I don't care. I mean, other people might care, but I don't care. As long as you keep in touch with everybody. And the people that haven't been posting, post something. Even if it's just a picture of your new room or something, just post something so I know you're alive. Please. Do that. And I guess that's it. I don't have anything else. Have fun. Love you.